you want money? And money if you perform, not you.
Yeah.
Good morning, world. I'm at my brother's and we have a few people here, guys. We're gonna go to the funeral now. But before, everybody getting ready before, your girl is cooking. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna cook, alright? This is what I'm wearing. Say hi. Alright guys, so we have some brown stew chicken going on there. We have cooked some food for my sister. Banana, yam and pumpkin. And then we have steamed some rice here for guys. Guys, the food are good on. Alright. Oh, big one also too. Good.
I just want to say thank you all for coming to my Uncle Rupert's funeral, and family in England would like to say to family Stewart, may comfort and peace be with you all. And as the pastor said before about religion or religious, we should have a relationship with Christ.
Amen.
That's what we need, a relationship. And the word Bible, does anyone know what the word Bible means? It means basic instructions before leaving earth.
Amen.
So that's the word of Bible means. Can you open to John 14 from verse 1 to 7? Okay. Do not let your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me.
Hi. How are you? Okay. Hi, Paul.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Good afternoon, Gabian.
Okay, I'm Bobby Stewart, and I'll be reading the obituary for my late grandfather, Rupert Stewart. Rupert was born April 1, 1937, in the district of Goodwood, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, with a late Oral and Ida Stewart, where he spent most of his childhood and part of his adult life. Left to search his memories are his wife, Silver Stewart, twin brother, Goodall Stewart, oldest sister, Ines Stewart, 5 sons, 6 daughters, 40 grandchildren,
Oh, wow.
21 great-grandchildren,
Wow, wow.
nephews, nieces, cousin-in-law, and friends. Thank you very much.
Amen. Amen.
This Sunday, my mom, I'm sitting out at the front. My mom was going to church. My mom said to Uncle Rupert, don't forget to look at the meat. And we'll sit in front and he's lighting another cigarette, he's lighting another one. I said, Uncle Rupert, ain't you going to look at the meat? He said, leave it alone, man. Leave it alone. Hear me. You see your mother go on there? And then if you ask her which day was the scriptures taken, he's not going to tell you. She'll be sitting in church thinking about the meat. I said, you can't say that. After a while, mommy came, I could see mommy coming through the gate, the Uncle Rupert. Watch her now. Ask her which scripture was taken. She come up the stairs and she walked up the stairs. She said to Rupert, did you look at the meat? She went inside the kitchen. He had Uncle Rupert to me. I did tell you she's not going to tell about what are the scriptures. She asked her about the meat. And she came up with the meat. I put it on Rupert's face. Look what you're doing with meat. You're not getting no food tonight. You better go to Santa Cruz to buy food. He was a loving uncle. My mom told me, I think Gilbert was very bad, and he walked from Newton to Santa Cruz.
All the time.
How did he do that? And he goes, he knocks on the door, my mom said, who is it? It's Rupert, open up the door. I couldn't believe my mom said that's who he was. And I tell you one other thing, he loves animals. There was a dog died outside in front of the gate, and he cried. You bring any dog to him, he loves animals, probably more than people. I don't know why, but he was a loving and kind uncle. Rest in peace, my uncle. Say hello to Mom and Papa and Auntie and the rest. We'll meet again.
Amen. Yes.
Okay, please listen to this song. I will be playing it from my phone.
When you will see his face, your verdict will be not guilty because Jesus paid the price.
All right, guys, so the church service almost done, and we're gonna go to the burying ground or burial ground. We're just on the last few minutes. All right, hello, and this is what I'm wearing. Sun hot, guys. So.
Yo, because active all the way. Yo, when me come down there, and me go which part then I went to my Billy house.
Oh, you go over Fabian all the time?
I don't hear them no around there.
Because you look like him, eh? Lord God. All right, let's go up. We go up now. Yeah? All right, guys, we're gonna go up the road now. I told her my name should have been Fiona, right?
Fiona.
Who gave me the name? Who gave me the name?
And Neil Angela.
Yeah?
Fiona. Then when we spoke to your mom, she said, no, we couldn't remember if you said Tiona. So we said Tiona.
That's what she told me.
Yeah, she told us that. And we went, but we never said Tiona, we said Fiona. She looks like a Fiona.
In the parlor on it? Or out?
If you drink one drink around your mate, you that next night. Yeah. Take time. All right, we're good, sir. We're good.
Kevin, I want to set one in the pan top.
Pastor, come here, sir. Pastor, come here, man. Give Pastor the come. And this is at the back of your program. It is all right. And then we do the final round. It is all right after 3. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Keep on 8,000. Keep on 8,000. For as much as God Almighty, in His wise providence, has taken out of the world the spirit of the departed, we commit the body ashes to ashes, dust. Yes. We sing the next chorus. We will talk. Anyway, you're there. I think you're
Yes, yes. What coolie, Baba? Cause your boot are got dirty up now.
You are work too?
Yeah, let me get
Keep them guys up.